planning to launch the Redmi K70e. The devices are said to be coming with the Dimensity 8300, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset respectively. In a recent Weibo post, tipster DCS revealed a few more details about it. It is said that Redmi K70 Pro will be a premium device featuring a metallic middle frame, promising better durability than its predecessors. It will be the first ever Redmi K series phone to have a telephoto camera. The telephoto snapper will support up to 3x optical zoom. Reports claim that the K70 Pro will feature the upcoming 8 Gen 3 on board, but as recent listings have shown, it might be a Dimensity 9200 plus chip plus 8 Gen 3 said to be a very expensive chip. Redmi phone is labeled as Carat, which is designated it might be the Redmi K60 Ultra. The tipster said the device might be fake. This is the reports what we have of the Redmi K70 Pro. It will feature a flat 2K display with 124 refresh rate. It will have a Dimensity 9200 plus chipset or a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 24 GB of RAM, 1 TB of storage and 5120 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging. It will come with MIUI 14 based Android 13 and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. It may be rebranded as the Poco F6 Pro for the global market.